नमस्ते। आज चाहिँ मैले बिएनएस इन्ट्रान्स प्रिपरेसनको चाहिँ क्वेसनहरू लिएर आएको छु र मैले चाहिँ यसमा सकेसम्म सबै सब्जेक्टको चाहिँ इन्क्लुड गर्ने कोसिस गरेको छु ताकि तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ केही हेल्पफुल होस् भनेर। त्यसैले यो भिडियो चाहिँ लास्टसम्म हेरिदिनु होला। आउनुहोस् अब सुरु गरौँ है त। आजको क्वेसनहरू के रहेछ त। What does the nurse explain to a pregnant client about the cause of the physiological anemia? Erythropoiesis decreased, plasma volume increased, utilization of iron decreased, detoxification by the liver increases. र यसको करेक्ट एन्सर छ erythropoiesis is decreased. What would a nurse suggest to a pregnant client that might help overcome first trimester morning sickness? A. Eat protein before bedtime, take an antacid before breakfast, drink water until the nausea subsides, request a prescription for an antiemetic. र यसको राइट एन्सर छ D. Request a prescription for an antiemetics. What is the normal duration of pregnancy? A. 210 days, 238 days, 280 days, 260 days. र यसको राइट एन्सर रहेको छ C. 280 days. Tetany is related to calcium, potassium, sodium, chlorine. And the correct answer is A. Calcium. Ventricular relaxation is represented in ECG by P wave, QRS wave, T wave, A and B, both A and B. र यसको राइट एन्सर छ C. T wave. The nurse should insert the colostomy tube for irrigation at approximately 6 to 8 inches, 3 to 4 inches, 12 to 18 inches, 16 to 18 inches. र यसको करेक्ट एन्सर रहेको छ B. 3 to 4 inches. What is the metabolism of form of protein used for energy? Fatty acids, amino acids, glucose, amylase. And the correct answer is B. Amino acid. After the birth of a baby, a newborn baby should be wrapped to maintain temperature, otherwise heat loss occurs through radiation, conduction, convection, evaporation. र यसको राइट एन्सर छ D. evaporation. What should be assessed before giving digoxin? Blood pressure, pulse rate, respiration, temperature. And the right answer is B. pulse rate. Which procedure is used to find out the size of heart chambers? Hypertrophy, dilation. A. Cardiac catheterization. B. Echocardiography. C. TMT. D. ECG. And the correct answer is B. Echocardiography. The outermost layer of skin is made of columnar epithelium, stratified squamous, transitional epithelium, cuboidal squamous. And the correct answer is B. stratified squamous. How much blood does normal healthy adult of average weight have? 3 to 4 liter, 4 to 5 liter, 5 to 6 liter, 7 to 10 liter. र यसको करेक्ट एन्सर छ C. 5 to 6 liter. What is the priority nursing intervention for a client during the immediate post-op period? Monitoring vital sign, observing for hemorrhage, maintaining a patient airway, recording IO. र यसको करेक्ट एन्सर छ C. maintaining a patient airway. Which of the following organelle is called suicidal bag? Mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, ribosome. And the correct answer is C. lysosome. The most abundant buffer system in our body is protein, bicarbonate, phosphate, none of the above. And the correct answer is B. bicarbonate. Pinna is characteristic of vertebrates, invertebrates, chordates, mammals. And the right answer is D. Mammals. Which gland is located just superior to the kidneys? A. Pituitary gland, B. Adrenal gland, C. Pancreas, D. Ovaries. And the correct answer is B. Adrenal gland. The nurse is assisting a client to the bedside commode to urinate. Which brain structure influences the client's bladder function? Thalamus, hypothalamus, cerebral cortex, brain stem. And the correct answer is C. Cerebral cortex. Which one facilitates immediate regeneration of ATP required for muscle contraction? A. Glucose, B. Creatine phosphate, C. Lactic acid, D. Glycogen. And the right answer is B. Creatine phosphate. A female client who is at high risk for suicide needs close supervision. To best ensure the client's safety, nurse should check the client frequently at irregular intervals throughout the night, assure the client that the nurse will hold in confidence at anything the client says, repeatedly discuss previous suicide attempts with the client, disregard decreased communication by the client because this is common with suicidal clients. And the correct answer is A. Check the client frequently at irregular intervals throughout the night. To understand anxiety disorder, we need to take account of only biological factors, only environmental factors, both biological and environmental factors, neither biological nor environmental factors. And the answer is C. Both biological and environmental factors. Which of the following physical symptoms are associated with panic attacks? Heart palpitation, perspiring, hyperventilating, all of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is considered to be a symptom of post-traumatic stress disorder? Increased arousal, avoidance and numbing of emotions, re-experiencing, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. Increased arousal. Which of the following is not a characteristic of individuals with paranoid personality disorder? Avoidance of close relationship, avoidance of public places, are often spontaneously aggressive to others, often feel that they have been deeply and irreversibly betrayed by others. And the correct answer is B. Avoidance of public places. When an individual is unaware that they present different personalities to the world, this is known as dislocated identity disorder, disjointed identity disorder, disappropriate identity disorder, dissociated identity disorder. इसको correct answers are D. Dissociative identity disorder. Which of the following site is not used for measurement of skin fold thickness? Mid triceps area, suprailiac area, gluteal area, biceps area. र यसको correct answers are C. Gluteal area. The most common cancer affecting both males and females of the world is cancer of the pancreas, buccal mucosa cancer, lung cancer, colorectal cancer. And the correct answer is C. Lung cancer. Active and passive immunization is done simultaneously in all except hepatitis B, measles, rabies, tetanus. र यसको correct answers are B. Measles. Sablon contains chlorhexidine and chlorhexidinol, cetablon and chlorhexidinol, cetablon and hibitine and chlorhexidinol. And the correct answer is C. Cetablon and hibitine. Bitters spot is the characteristic feature of deficiency: calcium, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin C. And the correct answer is C, vitamin A. Incubation period of diphtheria is 1 to 2 days, 2 to 6 days, 6 to 10 days, 8 to 12 days. And the correct answer is B, 2 to 6 days. Elements of primary health care include all of the following except an adequate supply of safe water and basic sanitation, prevention and control of locally endemic disease, providing employment to every youth, immunization against major infectious disease. र यसको करेक्ट आन्सर छ प्रोभाइडिङ इम्प्लोइमेन्ट टु एभ्री youth. Which is the most effective leadership style that can be used during emergency situations? Democratic, laissez-faire, autocratic, supportive. And the correct answer is C, autocratic. According to Henry Fayol, the function of planning, organizing, coordinating and controlling are considered which aspect of management? Roles, functions, process, taxonomy. And the correct answer is B, functions. Most commonly used model of care in ICU: functional nursing, team nursing, primary nursing, total patient care. And the correct answer is D, total patient care. When does discharge planning ideally begin? During admission, after admission, before admission, without admission? And the correct answer is A, during admission. Which of the following is not an objective of patient assignment? To promote good health, good ward management, provide education, to develop new services. And the correct answer is D, to develop new services. The conditions that does not make democratic leadership successful is atmosphere of approval, knowledge and discipline, right of appeal, right to order. And the correct answer is D, right to order. The following steps are involved: communication process, aspect, information source and encoding, channel, decoding and feedback, evaluation. And the correct answer is D, evaluation. A nursing student is developing a plan of care for a client with a chest tube that is attached to a pure EVA drainage system. The nurse intervenes if the student writes which incorrect intervention in the plan. Position the client in semi-flawless position. Add water to the suction chamber as it evaporates. Tape the connection sites between the chest tube and the drainage system. Instruct the client to avoid coughing and deep breathing. And the correct answer is D, instruct the client to avoid coughing and deep breathing. For which patient's response should the nurse monitor immediately after having thyroidectomy in post-anesthesia care unit? Urinary retention, signs of respiratory obstruction, signs of restlessness, decreased blood pressure. And the correct answer is B, signs of respiratory obstruction. Malignant cells when transferred to another part of body is carcinoma, benign, sarcoma, metastasis. And the correct answer is D, metastasis. Otitis media is the inflammation of middle ear, outer ear, inner ear, none of the above. And the correct answer is A, middle ear. The most common cause of death in burn case is hypovolemic shock, vasovagal shock, septic shock, traumatic shock. And the correct answer is C, septic shock. The pain medication of choice in acute MI is pethidine hydrochloride, diclofenac sodium, codeine sulfate, morphine sulfate. And the correct answer is D, morphine sulfate. Leukemia is the excessive production of premature RBC, WBC, hemoglobin, platelets. र यसको करेक्ट आन्सर छ B, WBC. Pulmonary edema is associated with right साइडेड हार्ट फेलर, लेफ्ट साइडेड हार्ट फेलर, मायोकार्डियल इन्फार्क्सन, भेन्ट्रिकुलर फिब्रिलेसन। र यसको करेक्ट एन्सर छ बी, लेफ्ट साइडेड हार्ट फेलर। A nurse must use aseptic technique while performing or inserting catheterization, oxygen administration, easy bag, gastric lavage। र यसको करेक्ट एन्सर छ ए, catheterization। A nurse places a client in lying on his back with legs separated, knees flexed, and soles of the feet resting flat on the bed. This position is called supine lithotomy, dorsal recumbent fallacy। र यसको करेक्ट एन्सर छ बी, lithotomy। The temperature of the water used in siege bath is 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius, 43 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius। And the correct answer A, 35 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius। यसमा चाहिँ मैले 50 क्वेसनहरू ल्याएको थिएँ। आशा गर्छु तपाईँहरूलाई केही हेल्पफुल भयो होला। नेक्स्ट टाइम अझै बढी क्वेसनहरू लिएर आउनेछु। यदि तपाईँ मेरो च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने प्लिज मेरो च्यानललाई सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसै गरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक गर्न नभुल्नु होला। यस्तै भिडियोको लागि मेरो च्यानल हेर्दै गर्नु होला। धन्यवाद।